Welcome to the Power Platform Advent Calendar. Today, we will be focusing on the another compliance and accessibility topic within the Power Pages. Let's continue from where I left the last session. So about how to ensure the accessibility in the Power Pages. If you have not gone through, then get the link in the description of this video. Let's have a quick recap. Accessibility referred to the design and the creation of the environments, product, and services that can be used by all the people, including those who have the disability. This includes physical spaces, digital content, and the various forms of the communication. Please note that as a maker or developer, you are responsible for meeting these accessibility standards when you customize your Power Pages site. Here are some of the quick tips for the accessibility content in the Power Pages. So you need to make sure that non-sighted or the visually impaired person can do everything a sighted user can do. Another part is test your Power Pages site by zooming into the 400%. Make sure that the text is readable and the pages and the control function as expected. The another important aspect here, color contrast matters. So use a color contrast tool to help you to see what kind of the contrast ratio you have on the screen. Another one, color should not be only with the visual way of conveying an action or information. If changing the color to the highlighted text, ensure the color or the descriptive information is also available in the text. The another aspect here, to use the alt attribute for the image or every image like image tag, use an empty alt attribute to hide the images from the screen reader. Ideally, when you can use CSS to define the decorative image hidden from the screen readers. Use a Microsoft Accessibility Insight tool to perform the two type of the scan. The first one is the fastest scan that automatically check for the compliant with the dozens of the accessibility requirement. The another aspect here is the assessment that measure compliance with the WCAG 2.1 level AA success criteria. Also, you have to follow the WAI ARIA authoring practices while creating the pages layout and the adding widgets. Test your site using the same accessibility tool as your users. So you can use a screen reader such as a window narrators, or you can also use the immersive readers in the Microsoft Edge to make sure that your Power Pages site is rendered and readable, making adjustment to the website if required or if needed. This is all for the last but not the least session in the Advent Calendar series before the final shutout tomorrow. Join us tomorrow for the final wrap-up session. Till that, goodbye and see you soon.